welcome back to English with Sarah. I am Sarah, and I am so excited to welcome you to day 6 of our 10-day shadowing challenge. You have officially passed the halfway mark. Your commitment to learning English is beautiful.
Hi everyone, I am Tom. Welcome to day 6. Today, we are opening our wallets and stepping into the marketplace. We are going to practice essential phrases for shopping, checking prices, payment methods, and asking for special discounts.
This is a highly practical lesson, Tom. Everyone needs to shop. To avoid losing your money or feeling confused in shops, you need these phrases. Remember our golden system on English with Sarah. First, listen to the slow 60% speed. Second, capture the natural rhythm at 90% speed. Third, use the extra strong pause to shadow out loud. Let us start.
Phrase number 1. Listen slowly. Excuse me, how much does this item cost? Natural speed. Excuse me, how much does this item cost?
Great start. Phrase number 2. Listen slowly. Where can I find the clothing section, please? Natural speed. Where can I find the clothing section, please?
Excellent. Phrase number 3. Listen slowly. I'm just looking around. Thank you so much. Natural speed. I'm just looking around. Thank you so much.
Great tone. Phrase number 4. Listen slowly. Do you have this shirt in a bigger size? Natural speed. Do you have the shirt in a bigger size?
Beautiful. Phrase number 5. Listen slowly. Where are the changing rooms to try this on? Natural speed. Where are the changing rooms to try this on?
Good job. Phrase number 6. Listen slowly. This jacket fits me perfectly. I love it. Natural speed. This jacket fits me perfectly. I love it.
Very clear. Phrase number 7. Listen slowly. Is this product currently on special sale today? Natural speed. Is this product currently on special sale today?
Nice rhythm. Phrase number 8. Listen slowly. Can you give me a small discount on this? Natural speed. Can you give me a small discount on this?
Brilliant. Phrase number 9. Listen slowly. This price is a bit too expensive for me. Natural speed. This price is a bit too expensive for me.
Fantastic. Phrase number 10. Listen slowly. Do you have a cheaper option than this one? Natural speed. Do you have a cheaper option than this one?
You're doing great. Let's go to the cashier. Phrase number 11. Listen slowly. Where is the queue for the cash register? Natural speed. Where is the queue for the cash register?
Perfect. Phrase number 12. Listen slowly. Can I pay for this item with cash? Natural speed. Can I pay for this item with cash?
Outstanding. Phrase number 13. Listen slowly. Do you accept contactless payments or mobile pay? Natural speed. Do you accept contactless payments or mobile pay?
Great control. Phrase number 14. Listen slowly. Please give me the receipt for my purchase. Natural speed. Please give me the receipt for my purchase.
Great style. Phrase number 15. Listen slowly. I would like to return this broken item, please. Natural speed. I would like to return this broken item, please.
Superb! Let's manage some basic money talk. Phrase number 16. Listen slowly. Can I get a full refund for this product? Natural speed. Can I get a full refund for this product?
Very useful. Phrase number 17. Listen slowly. Where is the nearest automated teller machine or ATM? Natural speed. Where is the nearest automated teller machine or ATM?
Incredible accuracy. Phrase number 18. Listen slowly. I need to exchange some money into dollars. Natural speed. I need to exchange some money into dollars.
Almost there. Phrase number 19. Listen slowly. What is the current currency exchange rate today? Natural speed. What is the current currency exchange rate today?
Excellent. Phrase number 20. Listen slowly. Keep the change. It's a small gift. Natural speed. Keep the change. It's a small gift.
Keep pushing. Phrase number 21. Listen slowly. I'm trying to save money this month. Natural speed. I'm trying to save money this month.
Beautiful. Phrase number 22. Listen slowly. This incredible deal is worth every single penny. Natural speed. This incredible deal is worth every single penny.
Wonderful. Phrase number 23. Listen slowly. I think I spent too much money yesterday. Natural speed. I think I spent too much money yesterday.
Powerful. Phrase number 24. Listen slowly. Can you please wrap this as a gift? Natural speed. Can you please wrap this as a gift?
Grand finale phrase. Phrase number 25. Listen slowly. Smart shopping helps you live a better life. Natural speed. Smart shopping helps you live a better life.
Absolutely spectacular! You have officially conquered day 6. 25 vital phrases to help you shop confidently and navigate any financial transactions smoothly without feeling lost.
Yes, Sarah, shopping English is super important for daily life. Don't forget the golden habit. Replay this lesson tonight to lock these sound structures into your long-term memory.
Remember to subscribe to English with Sarah, smash that like button, and type in the comment section below, Day 6 done, MONEY.
Now look ahead to tomorrow. Day 7 is going to open up a completely fresh topic. We're looking at our environments and moving around. Sarah, give them a teaser.
Oh, day 7 is wonderful. Tomorrow we're going to master asking for and giving directions and city navigation. You'll learn how to safely navigate a new city, ask for locations like museums or hotels, and understand exactly what native speakers mean when they say turn left or go straight.
Thank you for your amazing focus today on English with Sarah. Keep shadowing, keep growing, and we'll see you tomorrow for Day 7. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.